Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom soup and Grow a Garden Easy Guide. Start by harvesting fresh mushrooms and rinsing them gently to remove dirt. Use a sharp knife to trim stems and discard any slimy pieces. Keep your produce cool and use within a few days for best taste. These simple steps set the foundation for a rich, earthy soup that highlights garden flavors. Prepare all ingredients before you turn on the stove so cooking feels relaxed and fun. Sweat onions, garlic, and leeks in butter until translucent to build a sweet base. Add sliced mushrooms and cook until brown to concentrate their umami flavor. Pour in broth, add herbs like thyme, and simmer gently to let flavors marry. Finish with a splash of cream for richness and adjust salt and pepper to taste. Brown the mushrooms first to get that concentrated, savory base before adding liquids. After browning, deglaze the pan with a splash of broth to lift fond and build depth. Add remaining broth and simmer with herbs, then taste and season as it cooks. For a smoother soup, blend until velvety. For a hearty bowl, leave some mushroom pieces whole. Serve with crusty bread or a drizzle of olive oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.